Hey, what is going on, guys? It's Supreme Guru and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your wallpaper, which is your background picture, on your iPhone. So if this is something that you're interested in, then stay tuned to this video. So the first thing that you want to do is download an app called Zedge. You download your app just from your app store, type in Zedge and install that onto your phone. So let's go into Zedge and get a look around and a feel for the app. So I'm just going to zoom into this so that we get a better, there we go. So in here you can see recent wallpapers. I could also tap on see all and that will bring me into a bigger range of wallpapers. You also get premium wallpapers that you may have to pay for. And then you get recommended wallpapers, so on and so on. This little diamondy heart button is for premium wallpapers. If there's something specific that you're looking for example like a Halloween picture, you could hit the search button and you can go into different categories, or you can actually just tap on the search bar up at the top and type in whatever it is that you're looking for. So let's go with that. Let's type in Halloween just for talk's sake, because we are coming up to Halloween. So I'm just going to type in Halloween. Okay, and then I'm just going to hit the search button and let it search for Halloween wallpapers. So I can scroll through and get a wide range of wallpapers. You will see that there are some ads here. Just bear in mind, don't be tapping on any of those ads. It's not recommended. So let's just pick this one for an example. So whenever you've got your wallpaper that you like the look of, you will see a few different buttons. So this button allows you to share the wallpaper, so you can share it through an email or a text message. You could add it to your notes, Twitter, so on. You get the picture of that. And then you do get this little arrow button, which is going to save the wallpaper into your Zedge album, which will be in your gallery. And then the last button here, if I can actually tap on it, gives you a bit of information about who made the wallpaper. Do you want to preview it on the lock screen? So there it gives you a little preview of what it would look on the lock screen. So this is a very good app. I absolutely love it. I will go into my gallery and now try and find that Halloween app. So I'm just going to go to photos and we go to camera roll and we go to this. So now that we've got our picture, we want to set it as our wallpaper. So to do that, all you have to do is tap on this icon here and it will say along the bottom, use as wallpaper. And you can put it into a perspective where it moves whenever you move the phone, or you can just keep it still so that it doesn't move. I like to keep it on perspective, makes it a bit more animated. So when I'm happy enough, you can position this whatever way that you want. So let's just pop it there and hit set. So it will then ask you, do you want to set it as your lock screen? Do you want to set it as your home screen, or do you want to set it as both? I'm going to hit both, and then I'm going to come out of my phone, and there you can see in the background we've got this scary pumpkin as our wallpaper. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do have any questions, throw them down in the comments section below. I will be happy to help you out. And if this is your first time here, then welcome to my channel. I do tech tutorials, not only on iPhones, but also on Android phones. So if this is something that you're interested in, why not subscribe? Until next time, guys, you have been listening and watching Supreme Guru. Peace.